guys, I'm playing Hyperburst. I'm playing StarDog, and I just got the bonus. Look at that $22 win. I have a ticket. I got $11.96. I've been playing a bunch of slots and haven't been getting bonuses. Once at denom, let's go. We already unlocked a level. We need one. Come on. Thank you. We got to spin. Yay. All right, we unlocked. We got 2 more to unlock it. Come on. Yes. And we got to spin. Oh, add all those up. Yeah. All right, we need 1 more to unlock that next level. Come on. Yes. All right, next level. Come on. I need a spin. Come on. All right, we only got 1 spin left. Yes, I got a spin. And we unlocked the level. Yes. Alright, let me squeeze that a little bit on ya. Alright, we only got 2 spins left. Come on. Yes. We need another. Come on. Ah, that's it. But hey, that's good. $76.50. Very good. My dog is dancing. That was awesome. He's dancing again. Oh my goodness, is he not hilarious? Alright. Hey. What am I up to? 1272? My star is almost full. That's the only reason I'm still playing it. I love this bed. Alright, let's go. 7 spins. Come on. Come on. Oh, shoot. Come on. I need spins. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. 15 and a spin. Yes. All right, we got 4 more spins. Come on, I need another star. Come on, star. Oh my goodness, 2 more. Come on. Ah, shoot. Last one. Oh, man, nothing. All right. Hey, I'll take it. $68. Our dog is going to take off. Here he goes. Dancing dog. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just gonna let it add up. Perfect. All right, to do it just a little bit longer. It's such a freaking fun game to play. Yep, here we go in. Got it, right? Yeah, got it. These are all small though. All small. Alright, let's see how we do. We only got 2 this time. So we need to get another star to unlock that next level. Come on. Ooh, I need a star. Yes, got it. Alright, we got $15 on that next level. And one more. Oh, wow, it does unlock the next one. Oh my goodness, we got a 25 and a 5 on the top. I want to go get them. Alright, let's go. Come on. Something land. There we go. There we got one. Oh my goodness, we need one more for those big numbers. Let's go. Come on, one more. Oh my goodness, come on. Yes, got it. Yes, got 2 more. I don't know what it does with 2 more. Yeah, we got the top. Look at that. There's $35 up there. And look at all those spins. We got 20 spins. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's make some money, people. Let's make some money. Come on. We gotta fill those other ones up. Oh, there we go. Look, there's a $10 one. That's gonna make that one do it. Yeah. Yay. Wow. All right, let me see if I can squeeze y'all a little bit more. There you go. Now you can see the whole thing. Yes. I got 10 spins left. Come on. Oh my goodness, no dead spins. There we go. Come on. Yes, $5. There we go. Now we got that one going. Okay, we just need those on top. I need something to land on the tippy top. Come on. Oh my goodness, how many we have left? 5 spins. Oh, no dead spins. Come on. There we go. Another 5. Oh, yes. What does that do? It had a spinny thing on it. I don't know what that does. Another $10. Oh my goodness. This is huge bonus. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Oh, it does double life or something. All right, we got 2 more spins. Oh, another $10. It's gonna double or something. Watch. Oh, it did. Wow, it did something. I don't know what it did. Okay, I think that's our last spin. No, we got one more. We got one more spin now. Yay. All right, last spin now. Another spin. Yes. All right, last spin. Oh, that's it. Oh my goodness. Look at this bonus, guys. Huge. Here we go. $201. Wow. Wow, that's a big win. That is crazy. There's our Jammin' Dog. StarDog again. This is a huge win, guys. Huge win. Keep dancing, dude. This is the bet, guys. If you play this, 1 cent, 2.25. Oh my goodness. Alright. Alright. I'm at $14.97. I'm gonna play it just a few more because that, look at that star. It's just got that tip. We'll do it for just a few more. I just want to see if it'll burst. I need it to go into that crazy mode again. Oh, man, we got 3. Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness, how much is that? $18.42. All right. Gives me a little bit more to play with. We've almost filled that star. We gotta fill it. Come on. I feel like I can't quit playing it. I feel like I gotta keep on playing. Not good. Oh, do it? No, it didn't do it. It's gonna take us getting stars to do it. Oh, that's a good hit. 10.44. Come on. Do one more before $14.50. I'm going to get off at $14.50. Oh, here we go. Do it. Do it. Do it. 3 stars. I need 3 stars. Now I only got 2. Now, look at that one. Woo. Big one. Oh, star. Now. Music is very interesting tonight. It's a very different kind of range. Oh, do it. No. All right. We're getting close to $14.50. Oh, do it. Do it. Do it on this one. No. All right, we don't have a lot more. Oh, do it. Nope. I got one more after this, guys. Ready? Last one. All right, guys. That was Hyperburst, and this is StarDog. This is the coolest new slot I've played in a long time. Thanks for watching. Guys, that was so much fun. I love this game. If you can, please like the channel. Also, if you can leave me a comment. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you on the next video tomorrow. We'll see you then.